Hi guys, Max from Metro Hobbies. In all the 35 or 38 years that I've been doing this or working in the industry, the one question that's always been asked of myself and staff at the various stores I've worked at and things like that is why there are no Australian cars. The simple reason was it wasn't technologically or viable numbers wise to produce them. However, a company called DDA, who do a lot of diecast, have taken the plunge and jumped into doing 24th scale Australian cars. They've done the Holdens. They did a panel van and a Monaro, I think it was, and a couple of other things. Well, now they've decided to do the other iconic car of the Australian landscape, and that's the Fords. So let's have a look at the kit. So this is the first of the XWs. They've done two versions so far. This is the standard sedan, and then you've got the custom, which has got added parts and things like that. On the XY, you've got the custom, so that's got some extra bits. Then you've got what they call the blown, or they call it custom, but it's got a blown motor and everything else in it, so a whole lot of more detail as well. So you've got a good choice of cars. But let's have a look at the basic standard car. This is really, really nice. As I said, they're all 24 scale. That's the detail, gives you a rough idea of some of the detail in it. But on the back, there's all the parts layout, so it gives you a rundown of what's in there as well. So that's pretty cool. So there's all sorts of things around it and everything else. But the interesting thing about the box is I did ask the DDA about, is it costing us more to have this box done? They said, no, it's so minuscule. It's probably as much as producing any other box. So that's really cool. So let's have a look. So you go, and there you go. Nice little packaging there and everything. So the first thing that comes out is your instruction book. And this is beautifully laid out. Starting out with the engine, so there's all sorts of engine detail, there's lots and lots of information on there. Gives you a bit of a colour guide, but a little bit of reference would give you some more, but all the parts are listed. Then you move into the body parts of the car, continue on, it's just beautifully laid out and done. Tells you all some dimensions and all sorts of things. So, and again, there's a parts layout there. And then you go from there. And then there's some decals and stuff like that for it as well. Colour choices, well, in a sense, that's up to you. You just have to find which one you like. But as for the kit, there's your decals. Just the basic ones, the basic stripes that were always a part of the car. Body shell. Really nicely done. Something tucked away in there. Oh, there's some more decal. So there's another bit of decal. That's all the bonnet stripes and things like that, so that's cool. But there's your body. So really nicely done. Separate boot, separate bonnet. Just a one-piece shell, like you would get in most car kits. But this is really, really nice. There's detail all over it. Beautifully done up. Just nice plastic. It feels good plastic as well, so that's very good. What else we got? This is the bottom of it. Interior cabin, looks like part of the end, part of the dash as well. So there's all these sort of bits. Again, same sort of thing. Back seat's already in, so you've already got all that sort of stuff there. So that's very, very cool. So it just continues on. And so there's, as I said, there's lots of parts. I won't open every bag, but there's this is all part of the body shell. Instrument things. What else we got? There's your wheels. They even give you, because there's screws, there's even a pair of pliers, a little screwdriver, and that's your wheel axles through there as well. So that's pretty cool. That's a little toolkit included in the set. So that's interesting. Rubber tires and rubber parts. This one I will open so we can have a look at it. So there's your rubber tires. That's pretty cool. Seats are molded in rubber, or rubbery plastic actually, I think it's more. And then you've got all these little bits and pieces. This is all wiring and pipes and all sorts of stuff. So that's all in rubber. So that's really, really nicely done. This is a really well done car. This is your clear parts. If I can get it out. So there you go. Beautifully done, crystal clear. So this is obviously the piece that goes on top, so that's not that clear, but all the windscreen and everything else is just lovely. Then you've got, looks like headlights, dash parts, things like that. So it's quite nice. So really nicely done parts. So they've really taken their time and they've really understood what they need to do to present a very nice model kit. Then we continue on. There's lots more parts. This is all part of the engine bay. This is all engine parts again. So it's quite comprehensive. This, as I said, this is all part of the steering arms, front end again. That's part of the seat structure by the look of it. And then you've got the bonnets and the dash, the side parts for the interior and everything else. And it all packaged, just beautifully packaged. And they give you a little base to sit your car on when you're finished. So they've really thought about everything in the kit. So look, this is just a beautiful model of an iconic Australian car. So guys, I'm not a car modeler, but this is impressive. This is really nice. So I think any car modeler that wants to pick up, especially Australian cars, this is going to be a fairly simple kit to build. Shouldn't be any problems for even a intermediate modeler or a junior modeler just starting out. This is a great model. They're in stock right now. Jump on our website and have a look, or drop into our stores. They're in all the stores at the present time. And you have a great day, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.